Plaintiff Ashley Reckner has been friends with the defendant for 7 years. And the defendant is so sneaky that she's even had her boyfriend falsely arrested and sent to jail twice for assault. Ashley claims she witnessed the defendant using acid and ecstasy. And she's suing her today because after she bought a Jeep from the defendant, she reported the car stolen. Defendant Nicole Stamper-Majstorovich denies that she's sneaky and insists she's never had her boyfriend arrested. Nicole claims she only agreed to loan Ashley her car for 2 weeks. And when she didn't return it, Nicole reported the vehicle stolen.
Start with you.
Started out, we've been friends for about 7 years now. She has been sneaky before, but I never thought she would turn on me.
Sneaky before how?
She sent her boyfriend to jail twice, put makeup on her face, said he beat her. Second time, she said he beat her, raped her, and damaged her vehicle. He went to jail. He got out. They got back together. They got into some hard drugs, came over to my house, and was using drugs. And
what type of hard drugs?
Acid, ecstasy.
Okay. Let me hear from her. You want to give me some background?
Yes. Let me begin. Me and Ashley, like she said, have been friends for about 7-8 years, like middle school. Over that time, I can't think of anything where I was sneaky with her. There was one time.
She didn't say with her. She was saying in general. She referenced you having your boyfriend jailed falsely.
Oh, that's not. Well, This is my boyfriend right here, Your Honor. That is not true.
Stand up. State your name.
Vincent Cassis.
All right. Is any of that true? What she said about her having you jailed falsely?
No, it is not.
All right. Go ahead. You can have a seat. All right.
Okay, so no, I really don't know what she's talking about. I've tried to be a good friend to her. I thought.
Did you start using hard drugs at her home?
No, Your Honor. No, I did not.
By the way, when she was using hard drugs, you saw her?
Yes. She came over to my parents' house. I lived in the basement. She came running down my stairs, tripping on acid. Her boyfriend was trying to push a sugar cube in my mouth.
So he was trying to force you to use it?
Yes.
All right. What do you want to tell me about the case?
So back in February of 2008, I bought her Jeep. First, I loaned $1,000 from my stepdad. I got a statement from him today.
Let me see your statement. You borrowed $1,000 from him. Mm-hmm.
And he checked the Jeep out, said it was a good deal. She, at first, did not want to sell me her Jeep. But once the money got in front of her face, she changed her mind. And I gave her $1,100 on February 13th of 2008. She signed an agreement, which I also have.
Okay.
No, Your Honor.
Let her finish.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
So I buy the Jeep. She takes all of her belongings out of the Jeep, and the Jeep becomes mine. I owe her $350. And on a later date, I paid her another $50. And 2 months later, she calls the cops and reports it's stolen.
Why do you think she did that?
Like I said, she was using drugs. That's the only thing I can come up with.
Go ahead.
The police called me, said I have 5 days to return the vehicle. And I called the officer back and told her that we had an agreement, and I bought the vehicle from her. I faxed over the agreement right away, and she said it's a civil matter.
Okay. Let me hear your side regarding the purchase of the car.
The police officer did give me a copy of the agreement Ashley had sent them. Mm-hmm. If you look at it closely, it is signed in 07.
I bought the vehicle in February of 08 this year.
Well, she's right. The agreement says February of 07.
She must have made a mistake of.
You made one too. What else did you want to say?
When I did end up calling the police after Ashley had had the vehicle in her possession.
Why? Didn't she pay you, she said?
No, Your Honor, there is no agreement between us for sale of the vehicle. This is what she gave them when she
You never sold the car to her?
No money was
Well, what
exchanged.
happened? You tell me exactly what happened.
She originally said she needed to borrow it for 2 weeks tops to help move from one location to another because she was no longer going to be living in the home that she was presently living in this February.
And she told you it would take 2 weeks to move?
Yes. She didn't have like you have to be out by this date. And
you had a second vehicle?
No, Your Honor, I did not.
That doesn't make sense.
Well,
that you would give someone your only vehicle for 2 weeks so that they can move.
She gave me this big sad story about all this hardship that she was having in her life.
But it just doesn't make sense to me. If someone comes to me and I only have one car, they can have all the sob stories in the world. But I can't loan you my only form of transportation.
Well, I did have
I have to do things myself. If I loan you my car for 2 weeks, then I'm going to have some hardship.
Right, I understand that, but
Did you sign this agreement?
Your Honor, if you look at, it's written in a Sharpie marker, and she didn't even date it the right year.
So she forged your signature.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have your license today?
Yes, I do.
Let me take a look. And you say she signed this.
Yes, she wrote that whole thing, signed it, I signed it.
All right.
If I
so-
was seriously trying to plot this out, I think I would have got the year right. Just to
You think
make
if you
the
signed
evidence.
it and you got the
legally
year wrong?
binding agreement, you would make sure the year was right.
I would.
When you write it
if
up
I was
quick and
plotting this
sloppy, you
out
just send
and
the
trying
police, you're
to
gonna get the
steal
year
a
wrong.
vehicle from her, I think I
You
would
use a Sharpie
get the
marker.
year right on the supposed agreement that I supposedly made up. I also do have another paper, does not have her signature on it, but it is a paper that she wrote on in my house of more of her writing.
I have paperwork with her handwriting on it.
Okay. Do you have any more with yours on?
Yes. These are what I supplied to the police department
All
with
right.
the police
Your signature's
report.
on it,
Yes.
right? All right, let's continue. Who called the police?
Nicole.
I did.
Do you have the police report?
Yes, I do.
I just signed the back of it.
Okay. And who has the car now?
Ashley does.
I do.
And did you receive any money from her?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Your counterclaim, $2,485 is for the car and car repairs?
Yes.
All right. And what car repairs are you referring to?
One is for $883.95.
That's what you spent?
Yes, and then another 100 on an alignment. This has been done in the past.
But you didn't spend it for the purpose of her using it, did you?
No, this was done in the past like 8 months or so.
8 months prior to that?
Yes.
All right, so
why-
that she wouldn't have to pay for something that you had done for your own use.
Right, but this is added to the value of the vehicle. Or is that not how it works?
No, you used the value of those repairs. I'm still looking at these signatures. You wrote your name several times here. Signature signed by Nicole on April 5th, my birthday, in '08. Take a closer look again. All these signatures are different from the one you have on your driver's license. Can you explain that?
I don't know. Does anybody sign their name exactly the same?
For the most part. Particularly when they sign it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times.
All 5 of those signatures on that piece of paper are different?
No, all 5 do not match what's on your driver's license. You want to take a look? Let me show you. There's the 5 times that you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, signed is different. I won't even deal with the Y or the J. But you look at the N and the S that you've written here 5 times, and then you look at the N and the S on your driver's license, and tell me whether you think those are the same.
No, these S's are cursive.
Let's go back to what I asked. Isn't the S that you signed 5 times different from the S that you put on your driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
Isn't the N that you signed 5 times different from the N that you signed on your driver's license?
Yes, Your Honor.
You got 2 letters in your name signed differently from your license, and it was signed 5 times. And that's what this boils down to. This boils down to whether you signed this agreement or not.
And sir, I also had a witness. My father was present at the house when the agreement was
Is that your
signed up.
father?
Yes,
Come
my
on
father.
up. State your name.
Michael Reckner, Ashley's father. When they did this, they wrote that up downstairs. Ashley came right upstairs. She was jumping up down all happy because she bought the Jeep. After that, Nicole did go outside, and I saw her through the window unloading her personal stuff out of the Jeep. After Ashley gave it her $1,100, I believe it was, and Ashley showed me that paper that they wrote up.
Judgment for the plaintiff, $1,600. Your claim is dismissed. I'm granting this judgment based on my observation of multiple signatures, and they don't match, and therefore I don't believe you. Judgment for the plaintiff. Have a good day.